What up, y'all? So, I don't know if you watched the last video or not, but this happened. So, new vinyl on the side, just messing around a little bit. But we ain't talking about that. We're talking about these. Found some little DRL LED lights, CLB, whatever they want to say these are made of. But some little DRL lights that I'm putting on the front of this. So, I want to do something kind of like the newer Vets, how everything got the DRLs and all of that. So, I'm thinking putting them in there, something like that, and have them sitting in there some type of way. But I don't like the fact that they're yellow, so I was gonna put some vinyl like headlight tint over them just to make it look all black. But the yellow is, you can't really tell, but it's like a gel kind of coating. So I'm gonna try to spray it with some VHT spray, and hopefully it sticks and covers up the yellow good enough. With it being all the way in here, most likely when they're off you won't see them anyway. Like it's tucked off in there pretty good. But just in case, I don't want to have these big yellow strips on the front of the car, even though the brake's yellow. But whatever, I don't want nothing else on the yellow. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get these sprayed up real quick and I guess test them out, because I still haven't even looked at them yet. But yeah, so that's our next little project. So a couple hours later, still a little cracked up looking, but it's all covered. This one is a little better. I don't know why that one cracked up on me. Focus. There we go. So yeah. The other one's cracked up. This one is alright. But either way, from the distance of about this far, they're both black. So nobody gonna be close enough to see it, especially with it tucked in their bumper. So yeah. I think this is good enough. And I guess I'm gonna get out there tomorrow because it's nighttime now. So I'll get out tomorrow and stick them on there and I guess wire them up. Alright, so I got this stuff wired up. Go ahead and plug this in and test it out. Alright, so there we go. They're pretty bright. I think they're bright enough to be seen pretty good. There we go. So, well, if I can get it to lay down. Alright, so there we go. Kind of get an idea of how it's set up. So it's dual row LEDs or whatever, and they're pretty bright. So I think these will look good on there. There we go. So yeah, I'll try to wire them up to the park lights since they come on with as DRLs in the daytime. I still hadn't went out and looked at the car, so I'm gonna go out in the morning and maybe if I can find like the actual DRL fuse or whatever, I might just run it straight to that instead of doing splicing into the actual lights that are already on the car. So that'll be the plan, but that's in the morning, so I'll get back at y'all tomorrow. Alright, so I'm out here, got my lights. Like I said, they're just tinted, so the yellow still shows up a little bit, but there we go. This is in the sun. Like I said, one of them kind of cracked up a little more than the other one for whatever reason, but anyway, you won't be able to see any of that because it's gonna be in here, which is dark. So it'll be up against this here, all of that. It comes with some double-sided foam tape I'm gonna put a layer of 3M on this instead. So I'm gonna peel this off, stick a layer of 3M on there, stick it on here. Just because the 3M, I feel like if I ever want to take it off, it'll be easier to come off of this without leaving a bunch of residue, because sometimes that foam can come off in like pieces and stuff. But it's got this little square right there, so I can get my wires, stick them through there, and I can reach them from under here with the headlights up. So that should make it a little easier. Yeah, should make it a little easier to reach them. Alright, so slight change of plans. I got these, the wires from these lights, daytime running light, signal light, all of that, park light. I'm gonna wire these strips up with the park lights. So it's a simpler wire. These were already burnt up from before and switched out, so I don't really feel like messing with these right now, because I guess I could, but whatever. I'm hooking them up with these, so no worries about the low voltage or whatever that's going out while these are on. And at night, like once, because these are bright when they're park lights, when they're daytime running lights. Once the rest of the lights come on, these dim out. So I don't want to go through the problem of these dimming out whenever they're on, when the whole car is on, or just having them on all day long anyway. I don't want them to burn out that quick, because I got these for like $1 a piece, so I don't know how good of quality they are or how long term they'll be. So I'm gonna put them here to where they're only gonna be on at night, or when you unlock the car, they come on automatically in, so it'll look cool. But I'm gonna go ahead and hook them up to these. Yeah, tape all of this up, tuck everything back in through this vent, and as you can see, I don't have the plastic back there, so it's easy to reach everything on this side from behind. And yeah, and then the other side is a little more work, but same concept basically. So I'm gonna go ahead and this is one brown wire, one black wire. So I'm assuming this brown is positive, this black is ground, and yeah, we'll splice that up real quick, and we're gonna see how these look. So everything is wired up. I ended up taking this piece off on this side. My arm's little, so I can reach in here. So let's see if the camera can pick it up. Not really, but anyway, I can reach in here and from this way and wire that up. So it's all wired up. And yeah. So they're not that bright, but they are tinted. So hopefully by nighttime I can see what they really look like, and if it was worth the $2. So, moment of truth. I already looked at it earlier. I like them, but they're not bright enough. So I'm probably going to order another set, a different set. But and you really can't tell with these, when these red fog lights come on, they kind of throw it off when you unlock the car. But I'm going to flip the park lights on real quick so those will go off. But yeah, I like the concept, but they are not bright enough at all. And whenever I get the other set in, I'm probably gonna put them a little lower too, because once you get to about here, as you can see, all you seeing right now is actually the reflection of that light. The light is up there, so I'll probably bring that down a little bit, but definitely gonna get a different LED, a brighter one. And I thought about just doing these LED again, because I had switchbacks in there before, but for whatever reason, my switchbacks kept burning out, and I didn't really figure out what was causing that. So I just put regular bulbs in there for now. But whenever I get new lights of these, I think I'm getting the black housing ones, I might go back LED, but I don't know yet. So yeah, just a quick little project, and like I said, I'm probably gonna get those brighter. Might even go back with a pure white LED fog light too. I don't know yet, cause I never really go anywhere showing off the red ones anyway. Look cool at night with the red at the bottom, but other than that, I don't really use them, so I might go back white. So that'll be it for now, and until I get my upgraded LEDs for that, I guess. So catch y'all next time.